To cross this sea, it's crossing the sea, right? See, there are so many islands like this here. Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. I am in Karwar ocean deck homestay, and you know the view is so beautiful. It's the sunrise time, and see, I'll show you the place. That's the homestay where I'm staying, ocean deck. It's a beautiful location. See, here there were two sandbanks. One is missing now because the tide is high, water level has gone up, and those are mangroves. And the weather is also good. It's recommended you come during this time, October, November, December, January. The weather is good. Otherwise it would be humid. If you hate like getting sweat, then this would be the right time to come. So guys, the first place in Karwar we are going to visit is Kalimati beach. It's a unique beach, it seems. The sand is like black color. We'll go and see. To cross this sea, it's crossing the sea, right? Yeah, it's like the island is very nearby, so you can just walk. The only problem would be when it's high tide, it would be more water and you would get more wet. Finally, we have reached the Kalimati beach. The trek was good. Enjoyed it. And you know, the sand here is like black color. I'll show you the sand. So friends, this is a very nice place in Karwar. You need to get in touch with some local person so that he can bring you here. You need to park your vehicle on the road near the beach, and this is a separate island. You have to cross when the tides are low, and I feel this is a great experience and it's a good place to come. Unique black sand here. And more than that, see, you need to find places where there are no much crowd. That would be good. And other thing is, I think this is right time to travel. I don't know you guys thinking about when to travel. If you are able to travel, as I mentioned in my earlier videos, we need to identify places nearby, places where there are no much crowd, and start traveling. That's the only way we can start traveling. But again, if you're a person, if you have any complication, any health issues, you need to be very careful. But other people, youngsters who want to travel, who love traveling, should start traveling. This trek would take roughly half an hour if you are like fast, or if you have experienced trekking. Don't forget your shoes, because otherwise it will be a bit tough. And remember that you need to bring a local person who would guide you. So this is neer dosa and this is idli. It's wrapped in jackfruit leaf, na? Jackfruit tree kind. Yeah. And this puri. This is a special curry. I'm like going to have for the first time. It's made of coconut milk, right? Coconut milk. And this is chutney. Let's start. So the combination is like universal. You can have anything with anything. Everything with anything, right? Everything. This is kotte idli. You add this coconut milk. This is sweet actually. I don't know how it will taste, but I'm going to try it. I hope this is the way you eat it. Good. So friends, we have checked out from Ocean Deck. It was a really great experience. If you are a foodie, love seafood, please visit when you're coming to Karwar, or it's very near to Goa, it's very near to Dandeli. You can club the trip like I had done. From here, we are still in Karwar. We are not going out of Karwar. We are going to a resort. We are going to a resort called Devbagh Beach Resort. It belongs to Jungle Lodges, the place where we stayed in Dandeli. It was also the same management. It's managed by Karnataka Tourism. So it's just around 3.8 kilometers from here, 7 minutes drive. We are going to the resort office. From there we will take a boat because it's a private island. So this is the resort office. We came here, we gave our details, and there's a boat waiting here. The vehicle will be parked here and we need to take the boat. It's a 10 minutes boat ride from the jetty. We have reached the resort. It's like very near to Ocean Deck. Like if you walk from that near that mangroves, you reach this place. Guys, this is the resort. My goodness, unbelievable, huh? Superb. So guys, it's lunchtime. Let's see what it is. Got some crab, chapati, cucumber, some chana, beans. This trip, everywhere the food is really like, it's like traditional food or very homely food. I need to check this crab. The masala is really good. The crab was really good. I liked it. I'll take some more. The masala was really good. It's spicy, but it's like right. Everything is very correct. So done with the lunch. 4 o'clock we are going for the water sports. We'll be doing some jet skiing and whatever things are available. We'll try to do it. I think I'm going to do this trampoline. I've never tried it. So nobody is there in this property. I'm the only person living in this property. I'm the only guest in this property, and the entire staff is dedicated to me. The lunch was really good. Food, actually, this trip, no, every place the food was really good. This is for kids, no? I cannot get in. No? Lots of sports facilities are there. Volleyball, I think, then trampoline, then I think basketball is there. No basketball, it's again volleyball, right? So we are getting ready for some water sports. Oh, jellyfish.